Hello everyone, and welcome back to the board. Today's problem is 10 divided by 5 parentheses 2 plus 2 over 2. Two traps are hiding in this problem: a fraction bar and an invisible multiplication. Let's take it down slowly. Be careful. Here is what not to do. Don't ignore the fraction bar and read left to right. That gives you 4, the classic wrong answer. The bar is a giant parenthesis, always. 3 rules. Rule 1. The fraction bar is a hidden parenthesis. The top is one group, the bottom is another. Rule 2. Inside the top, parenthesis first. And Rule 3. The invisible sign next to the parenthesis is just a multiplication. Inside the top, 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. The bottom is simply 2, so the fraction is 20 over 2, which is 10. The whole problem collapses into 10 divided by 10. And the answer, is 1. Okay, the final answer is 1. Now your turn. Same rules, same traps. Solve it and write your answer in the comments. I will pin the correct one. Thanks for learning with me today. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. See you in the next one.